Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome. In this video lecture, I will discuss the topic the educational philosophy of Nel Noddings. Let us first try to understand brief life sketch of Nel Noddings. Nel Noddings, born on 19th January 1929, is an American philosopher, educator, and author renowned for her work in the philosophy of education. She has dedicated her career to exploring the ethics of care and the role of empathy in education. Noddings earned her PhD from Stanford University and has held prominent positions in academia, including serving as a professor at Stanford University School of Education. Her emphasis on empathy, caring relationships, and moral education continues to inspire educators to create nurturing and ethical learning environments. Let me now discuss the educational philosophy of Nel Noddings. 1. The ethics of care. Noddings' caring is not just a simple, one-time choice or deed, it is a daily, lifelong commitment. Noddings' philosophy centers around the ethics of care, emphasizing the importance of fostering caring relationships in education. She believes that education should go beyond the transmission of knowledge and focus on the development of empathetic, compassionate individuals. 2. Caring as a foundation. Noddings, we are always in a state of becoming either more caring or less caring. According to Noddings, caring should be the foundational principle of education. It involves not only nurturing academic growth but also attending to the emotional and ethical development of individuals. Education, in her view, is a continuous process of becoming more caring. 3. Student-centered education. Noddings, we must always be attentive to the uniqueness of the student. Noddings advocates for a student-centered approach where educators pay close attention to the individual needs, interests, and experiences of each student. Understanding and responding to the uniqueness of each learner is crucial for fostering a caring educational environment. 4. The role of empathy. Noddings' empathy is at the heart of care. Empathy is a central theme in Noddings' philosophy. She believes that educators should cultivate empathy to better understand the experiences and perspectives of students. This empathetic understanding forms the basis for building meaningful connections and caring relationships. 5. Moral and ethical education. Noddings' education should be the process of helping everyone to discover his uniqueness. Noddings contends that education should not only aim at academic achievement but also involve moral and ethical education. It is a process of helping individuals discover their unique qualities and develop a sense of responsibility towards themselves and others. 6. Community and connection. Noddings, the chief aim of education is to unfold the capacities of the human mind. Noddings emphasizes the importance of fostering a sense of community and connection in education. Creating a caring community within educational settings contributes to the holistic development of individuals' intellectual, emotional, and social capacities. Aims of education according to Nel Noddings. 1. Cultivation of caring individuals. The primary aim of education, according to Nel Noddings, is to cultivate caring individuals. Education should go beyond the mere acquisition of knowledge and actively nurture the development of empathetic, compassionate, and socially responsible individuals. 2. Holistic development. Noddings aims for the holistic development of individuals, encompassing intellectual, emotional, and ethical dimensions. Education should contribute to the unfolding of human capacities, fostering a sense of uniqueness and a commitment to ethical living. 3. Empathetic understanding. A key aim is to instill empathetic understanding in learners. Education should enable individuals to connect with others on a deep level, appreciating diverse perspectives and experiences. This empathetic understanding forms the basis for caring relationships. 4. Moral and ethical education. Noddings emphasizes the importance of moral and ethical education. The aim is to help individuals develop a strong moral compass, guiding them to make ethically informed decisions and act responsibly in their personal and social lives. Curriculum design according to Nel Noddings. 1. Caring-centric curriculum. The curriculum design should be centered around caring. Noddings advocates for incorporating themes and activities that promote caring relationships, empathy, and ethical considerations. The curriculum should extend beyond academic content to include the development of character and values. 2. Personalization and individualization. Noddings promotes a curriculum that recognizes and responds to the uniqueness of each learner. It should be designed to cater to individual needs, interests, and learning styles, fostering a sense of belonging and personal fulfillment. 3. Experiential learning. The curriculum should include experiential learning opportunities that allow students to engage with real-world situations. Experiences that evoke empathy and understanding contribute to the development of caring individuals. Methods of teaching according to Nel Noddings. 1. Student-centered and relational teaching. Noddings encourages a teaching approach that is student-centered and relational. Educators should build meaningful relationships with students, understanding their unique qualities and providing support tailored to individual needs. 2. Dialogue and open communication. Teaching methods should involve open communication and dialogue. Noddings advocates for educators engaging in meaningful conversations with students, creating an environment where thoughts, feelings, and perspectives are openly shared. 3. Modeling caring behavior. Educators play a crucial role in modeling caring behavior. Noddings suggests that teachers should exemplify the values of empathy, compassion, and ethical conduct, serving as role models for students to emulate. 4. Incorporating ethical dilemmas. Teaching methods should include the exploration of ethical dilemmas. Noddings believes that presenting students with ethical challenges allows them to develop critical thinking skills and make decisions grounded in caring and moral considerations. Thank you, everyone. If you're passionate about education and teacher training, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokeen Bilal.